it's finally here. So what we're gonna be doing today, it's gonna be pretty much an unboxing of this gaming chair that I just purchased online. My boy Loach is actually gonna come over right now to do the unboxing with me, so you guys can see how we unbox it, we build it, the whole nine. Right now, it actually looks like this. This is the exact one that I got. If you take a quick look at it, it's 132. So yeah, and I'm pretty excited because he should be here soon. We're pretty much going to be, unboxing it and showing you guys if it's a good buy or not. And I just hope you guys tune in and let me know what you guys think. All right, so now that you guys seen what it looks like on the web, let's take a look at what it looks like in real life. It's pretty big. I love the packaging on it. You got the letters on it. It's JL Comfurni, you can see there. We're doing a big jump because this used to be the chair that I used to game on, and it's a pretty big upgrade. So I'm actually pretty excited about it as Loach is on his way, and I think that's actually him right now. Yep, that's actually him. It's outside. Yo, what's good, bro?
What's up?
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my goodness. So Loach is in the building.
Let me get this camera. Let me see what's up to YouTube. Yo, what's good, y'all boys? Yo. Hey, Remessy told me he got a box for me, but I didn't know that shit was this big. Oh, man.
Yeah, man. So what we got for you guys today is the JL Comfurni gaming chair.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing.
Alright, well.
Best of the best. Just get the last part over here. And we're good. Alright. Looks like it has the base part of it first.
Yeah.
See that? Wow, look, get that smell in. I don't know if the camera can catch the smell.
Y'all smell that?
It's like that new car smell.
Yeah.
Wow. This baby looks awesome.
Blue?
Like blue covers,
Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Man, you sure this isn't a racing seat?
Right, that's exactly what I was thinking. Look at it, comes a nice little plastic cover.
Nice, nice.
Let's see where your buttocks goes. Guys, this is where my behind is going to be for several hours. I want to make sure it's nice and comfy.
Nice. Do we know if it's leather, plastic?
I have no idea, man.
No idea.
But I can't wait to find out. Look at all these mystery boxes. Wow, it looks very professional. It's like this. And this is the part for where you sit on. Oh, for your lower back.
Okay, okay.
And you got the headpiece.
I got no more back pain.
Right? And then the headpiece, that head comfort.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. And then these obviously are your hardware stuff.
Alright, everything's out the box.
Got that part out of the way. Go ahead and get the box out.
Alright, let's do it.
Wheel. gorgeous.
Absolutely, we're gonna get a nice little close up here.
Goodness.
So this is the bottom of the chair, y'all, right? Look at this dude's arm bar. Bro, you're what?
Oh my.
See, this is how it's supposed to be, you know, a little thing on the bottom, because this is the bottom of the chair.
There's a little, you know.
That boy trying to get
Little off, but
a little bit, right?
we're working it.
Yeah, that boy trying to get a gamer advantage.
That's hilarious, bro. Alright, so now I got my mental picture on. So we're definitely gonna be right this time.
Bruh, in all honesty, this could have been way worse.
It could have.
It could have been the next worst thing possible happening. Oh my god, it's saying. You're excited?
I know this is gonna be for this.
Yeah. Alright, YouTube. We got a lot of it done. We got the seat, the arm bars, the whole levitation system. We're doing alright. How long have we been at this? 2 hours, right?
Yeah, just about.
Two handymans. If you guys need anything built around the house, just leave a comment. Hey, matter of fact, bro, if y'all made it this far and y'all didn't even like the video, y'all need to pause it and get to it, man. Cause this is where the real stuff is gonna start. This is just an appetizer. It's really about to go down. It's really about to go. Like, what the hell is this, bro? What is this? I don't know. Chair, hello, wine. I know y'all saw the time lapse and everything. And thank God they made that feature, because this guy right here been putting that arm bar for a good 30 minutes. Boy got the matching socks with the chair, bro. No, y'all need to stop underestimating my boy Remessy. By the way, he's on Twitch, REMESSY.
Double S-E-Y or S-Y.
REMESS.
Yeah, I don't even know how to spell my name, bro.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
Is that bad? You don't need to know that, right?
You're doing just fine. So, what happened? Not only did he put it upside down and then fix it,
Oh man,
but he put the armrest the wrong way.
I'm so done. Where's the still thing at? Okay, so
Yikes. Right now, look, it says put that shit there and then attach the covers.
I was gonna touch it. get this part in? Fine.
I don't even know how to put that on, to be honest with you. You got it?
Yeah.
Yo, YouTube, this shit's tiring as fuck, bro. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. You know, just the finishing touches. That's it right there, boys.
How does this shit look, Ray?
It looks nice.
Bro, look. Put that shit on me, bro. Oh, this is first impressions.
What do you think? What's going through your mind?
What is going through my mind? So right now what I'm doing, I am picturing myself. Look, damn, bro, look how sweaty.
Yeah.
Woo! Listen, it was hard work,
Very hard.
but it actually paid off. It was pretty fun. I don't know about you. But let's see if this works. So what I'm doing first.
Press the one that makes you lay down all the way. Chill.
No, there is. I remember it had words on it. Where is it, bro?
That's on the right hand side.
Oh, that's this one.
We got up and down working, okay.
I got that. Okay, that works.
Okay. What about the feature we've been waiting for?
Oh, shit.
Whoa. Damn, Reminator.
Yo. Is it like, oh damn, I'm literally laying down.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. What the fuck? This actually feels really good.
Does it really?
And we got a pillow.
Man, there you go.
It was like rusty. It was like, cause it's so new that you just had to play with it. That's pretty much it. You wanna try it?
I'm just trying to get. This feels really
Kind of like what?
hard.
Does it?
There's no like cushion.
You mean when you lay your arms, right?
Yeah. That's one that goes up and down.
Yeah. I mean, try to go higher, as high as you can, like standing up. That's it.
But then again, who plays on a desk the size of your chest?
For real. Take off.
Bro, this shit goes all the way.
Yeah, you're like completely 180.
Bro.
Your face.
Bro.
Yo.
This is not even healthy.
Yo, you just like straightened out your back. You're more than 180.
Yeah.
Let me see if I get in a different angle. Hold on, don't get up here.
My spine is literally like.
Oh, it's a good angle here. Holy
It
cow.
feels like I just fell off a building and I'm like, and I just landed on like concrete and like, right on my back.
Yeah.
Damn, dog.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn. Okay. It's a nice chair. It's a nice little chair. Alright, y'all boys, listen, man. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. We came here, we got it done. Remessy has a new gaming chair.
Feels good.
Shit.
We did it.
Just don't get another one
Right,
until like another few years.
Exactly.
This chair gonna be in the trash by tomorrow morning. Y'all need a chair. Come get it. It's yours free. Nah, but like I said, bro, in the beginning, y'all need to like this video. Me and Remessy got, some vlogs coming out on the way.
Yeah, man. We're actually thinking of some right now as we speak. I just want to let you guys know that, we should let them know.
Bro, I'm planning on cutting off my chin hair, okay? Now, we need challenges, so if you know any challenges that me and Remessy can do, like IRL or like over video games, whatever, leave them in the comments. You can hit up my Twitter. Everything's going to be in the description, so make sure y'all do that because we trying to chop this off if I lose, but...
Yeah, and then for me, I'm going to be on the other part of the challenge, so if I lose, everything's coming off, and I'm also going to be cutting my hair. So you guys just let us know in the comment section below. Definitely hit that smash button on the like and subscribe. But more videos are coming your guys' way.
Yeah, Loach, baby, we do this. We out. We tuning off all for ones and twos, man. Please.